visit cryptopia.co.nz and make an account or log into your existing account. In the next step, you'll load your Cryptopia account with Bitcoin by selecting Deposit. Then select Bitcoin and deposit funds using the wallet key provided. Now let's head over to Exchange and then we'll select Market. Within the HopTrade Telegram group, you'll be notified about the coin to target along with the URL. For this example, we'll select OSC, which will load a real-time market dashboard including all the real trading stats on the top. Now we'll show you how to buy and sell your altcoin. Scrolling down on the dashboard, you'll notice two boxes entitled Buy OSC and Sell OSC. On the top of the Buy box, you'll see how much Bitcoin you have available in your account to buy with. Instead of filling out the boxes manually, you can simply go down to Sell Orders and select one of the orders. This will automatically fill out the information for you. Seeing that many people will be buying, we advise you to select an order a little bit further down the list. Notice how it accumulates all the orders. Simply go back to the account section and indicate the volume you wish to buy. You will now automatically be buying the altcoin at your desired price and volume until the parameters are reached. After clicking Buy, it will be confirmed in the Buy Orders box. Once you have obtained your desired altcoin, you're going to hold it until the value increases prior to selling. Let's say hypothetically that the price section on the sell order reaches 2,000. In that case, you'll simply want to set the amount of altcoin to how much you have and click sell. And that's it. You've now completed your first hop trade. For more information or premium alerts on all future hop trades, be sure to sign up to our membership program for free right now.